Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 11 May 2018, 15 of hour, 00 of minute and 11 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, why is my dog crying with tears? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about why is my dog crying with tears. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about why is my dog crying with tears. It's easy to assume that the dog is crying, but those tears are actually caused by something other than emotions. Like humans, dogs have tear ducts to help keep their eyes functioning properly. However, a dog's tear ducts drain the liquid back towards the throat and nose area instead of spilling out. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.